guys, welcome back. Today is Foodie Friday. If this is your first time here, then hello, welcome. On Fridays, I do like to post some type of cooking video. Lately, I've been doing Instant Pot, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. Today, we had orientation on Zoom for Missy, which is my foster daughter, if you're not aware. I also do videos and updates on how it is being a foster parent. So there's a lot that goes on here. Because we had orientation today, I just thought I would do something quick and easy, and I decided to try out enchiladas in my pressure cooker. This is a new pressure cooker. I've had it for a couple weeks, did a few recipes, and I'm totally in love with it. So I figured, why not? It's quick, simple, and we're gonna go ahead and just make a really simple, quick and easy enchilada recipe. I'm starting to try to get back on my healthy eating, but there's a lot of things that the kids do not like. Vegetables and all that stuff that I love. Normally I don't like making several meals, but because I have my Instant Pot, it makes making those additional meals a lot easier. Today we're gonna make enchilada casserole for the girls. So with that said, let's get started. So we start off by putting in 3 chicken breasts. Then I'm pouring 1 28-ounce can of green enchilada sauce from La Palmas, and this is mild. You can use any sauce that you like, but the girls do prefer the green sauce. Okay, now that my lid's on, I have it on, and I'm going to go ahead and put pressure on high, and we're gonna do 10 minutes. And start. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's make sure that's on seal. I'm using the canned enchilada sauce because we're going to make this quick and easy, but if you want a homemade enchilada sauce recipe, I can go ahead and do that for you. Just make sure you let me know in the comments below and I can put one together for you. But this is going to be completely simple, easy peasy. Now, all these recipes that I've been making have been my first time, so there may be some fails, not really sure. We're going to see how it goes. Hopefully everything comes out edible, I'll say. I don't expect delicious every time, but at least edible. I think 10 minutes is enough on the chicken, but the good thing about the Instant Pot is if it's not, we can add some more time on it because there's sauce in there. I didn't add water. Maybe I should have. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, so you can see that it's done because the numbers are now going up instead of down. So this is now naturally releasing itself. Sealing itself, releasing, self-steaming, you know what I mean. I'm trying to figure out what else to put in these enchiladas. The girls are very picky, no onions, no this, no that. I like olives and all that good stuff. So it's gonna be very simple for them. You can put whatever you want. Once I open the lid and do the next step, that's when you would add your onions and all that good stuff. I don't know what to add. I normally don't do this with enchiladas, but I was thinking since we're doing it, this Instant Pot really quick, maybe I'll throw in a can of beans. I would normally do black beans, but I think they would fight me on it. I think they'd be more willing to eat the kidney beans, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in. I think typically I would actually prefer some black beans with this meal, but we're gonna throw in maybe a can or half a can, and if at the very least they don't like it, they can pick it off. We're gonna see how this turns out. I'm gonna do then. While it's doing that, I just have some cheese I'm going to throw in. This is Don Queso blend. This is a cheese and jalapeno pepper blend. I have some mozzarella cheese, just a mixture of cheeses that I had. This, as I said, this is just a quick recipe. And then I'm going to go ahead and start my tortillas. Now I'm cutting the tortilla into 3 pieces. You can use scissors, your hands, whichever you prefer. And I'm going to do, I don't know. I'm gonna keep going and see what I feel. This is what the chicken looks like, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just shred it by hand. Okay, so silly me thought I was gonna be able to shred it in the Instant Pot, but I had to change it to a bowl because I'm too short and I couldn't reach and I didn't want to burn myself. So I went ahead and put it on a bowl and we shredded it. It shredded very easily, and now I'm gonna put it back in the pot. Now I'm throwing in the tortilla. I'm using corn, and I did about 2 dozen tortillas. And then I'm just gonna give it a good mix right there. So this can ruin it, maybe not. I'm gonna try the beans. I might as well just throw the whole can in. Now hopefully they like it and I just didn't ruin it. Throwing in the cheese. After mixing it around, I went ahead and put some cheese at the top. Okay, it's looking pretty good. The lid's on. We're gonna go ahead and do pressure on high, and this time we're gonna do it for about 4 minutes. And start. Oh, and we need to make sure it's on seal, which it is. Okay, it is done. It's going up the time on a natural lease, so we're gonna go ahead and manually do it here. Ah! Wish, wish, wish. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just serve it on the plate. Okay, so here's our 3 plates. I'm gonna top it with some sour cream. I don't know if Missy wants sour cream, so I'm going to add some. Yes, I'm serving myself. I have to try it. Okay, so here it goes. In the Instant Pot. Huh? How is it from the Instant Pot?
It's good.
The one thing I think I'll do next time is I'll take the time to season my meat a little bit more, but it was good. That's just me. I love over seasoning things. But I was trying to do something quick, easy, and I knew the sauce, it was gonna be cooked in the sauce, so it would get all its flavor there. But really, it was actually pretty good. How do you like it, Missy?
Good.
Yeah, it's pretty good for a one pot wonder. This meal literally took 15-20 minutes tops. Super simple, super easy. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. If you want to continue seeing more videos like this, then make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. And if there's a recipe or something you want me to try out, let me know in the comments below as well. And that's about it. All right, guys, as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below the next video, whichever comes first. Have a blessed day.